let me show you how to transform your daily routines into money-making businesses. Yes, I mean your everyday daily routines, what you do every day, your daily activities can actually be a source of income for you. It's just that you never knew, okay? Actually, the best of your business ideas are sometimes embedded in your daily routines. And in this video, I'm going to help you to discover exactly how you can turn your daily routines into money-making venture, and you can earn extra income, okay? So it doesn't matter who you are, whether you're a student or you're a stay-at-home or you are even a 9-to-5 worker looking to earn some extra income or to have another source of income. This video should help you to find at least one thing that will be suitable for you. And the number 7 on this list is actually going to surprise you because you are not even ready for it, right? So just hold on while I show you exactly how to transform your daily routines into money-making venture. My name is EriOluwa. You can call me Entrepreneurial EriOluwa, right? Feel free to call me that. A lot of people call me that. So on this channel, what I do is that I share with you practical business knowledge and my own experiences just to help you fast track your entrepreneurship journey. So if this is something that you like, you need somebody to show you support, or you need somebody to learn from, so that you don't waste time trying to navigate and trying to grow your businesses. You can just, stay here, join the family, and learn from real life experiences that I have faced in my own entrepreneurship journey. So if this is what you like, please subscribe to this channel so that when I drop new videos, you'll be the first to know, and we can all grow together, okay? It's a win-win on this channel, all right? So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Now, on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually turn your daily routines into real businesses that can spin in income for you, okay? So the first thing I'm going to talk about is your hair keeping, your hair styling. If you actually love hair styling, and no matter what hairstyle you make or how you style your hair, people are always wowed. Like, they want to know how you did it. They want to know about it. Maybe you have some natural tricks or natural, tips on how you do your hair, and it's just looking so beautiful every day. Or some products that you can use to boost your hair, or something that will just make your hair glow and make it look really, really well taken care of. That can be a viable business that you're sleeping on there, okay? You might just be sleeping on that. And then this is a wake-up call for you. So arise, shine, for your light is come, okay? Hair styling can be a business for you. You can definitely transform that into a hair salon. You can be a hair stylist, mobile hair stylist. You can style bridal hair. You can, whatever that you are using to make your hair look beautiful, you can review those products and start creating content on them. You can start doing hair content vlogs and stuff like that. It can be a viable business that you might have been sleeping on. So take note of that. Number 1 is hair styling. Number 2 is health and fitness. So if every day when you wake up, you have to, or you must do some workouts, and it's just a part of you, comes easily for you, or it comes easy with you, that can be a business venture that you are not even paying attention to. Do you know how many people that actually want to be able to get into fitness and all that, but they just need like somebody to put them through? They need somebody that is very relatable. They just need somebody that can, that is doing it, that as that person is doing it, they can also do it, and it can be a kind of accountability stuff together. You can turn that into a business. Do you understand? You can turn that into something that will be making money for you, even if you are a 9-to-5 worker, okay? If you will do that every morning, maybe around 5 to 5:30, those 30 minutes, you can record it, put it on YouTube, create it as a content, and package it as a business for yourself, and you'll be making cool money from it. I mean, sounds easy, right? Yes, it's your daily routine, so it comes easy, all right? The third routine you are not even paying attention to is market errands. If you love to go to the market, I can assure you that there are 1,001 people out there who don't have the time, who don't have the ability to withstand, the market stress. So if you love going to the market, you can turn that into a business. I mean, you will just be cashing out just get people, people that are your target market now, that when you propose your idea to, they are willing, they are even so willing to, want you to take that stress off them. For you, it's something you enjoy, you love it, you do it every day. I mean, you need to buy something from the market, either you like it or you don't. So if that is one thing that you love to do, you can turn that into a business. Okay, you run those errands, you deliver the items that you buy to the people who sent you to buy them, and you make your own cut from it. It's that basic. Okay, but if you are not paying attention to it, I'm telling you now to pay attention to that, because that is something that can make extra source of income for you. Okay, just find the best market, the best kind of people that your service will provide solution to, and you're good to go. All right. Okay, so the fourth one is this. It's actually music. So a lot of us, we sing a lot in our bathrooms or in our toilets and things like that. Okay, but really, if you love music and when you sing, people say, wow, that can be a business for you. You can do voice or music training. If you know how to play musical instruments, you can teach people how to play musical instruments. You can record those step-by-step guides of how to play those instruments and put it online as content for people to watch, and you get paid. In fact, you get people who will now ask you, they want to do one-on-one. You'll be so surprised. You might just be thinking that these things are not something viable, but it will surprise you that by the time you're able to put these things together into a product or service, people would find it interesting enough to pay for them. And so you need to be able to help yourself discover these things within yourself and take action to do it. Okay, the next one on my list is cooking. Right, this one is a no-brainer because everybody has to eat. If you have that skill, like in my own case, I started my business with no money, doing that and rendering that service. You can watch that video after this video on how I actually started my business with no money. I'm going to link I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. You can do that as a business. The main thing for all of this kind of businesses is just for you to find the best market that will be willing to pay for what you are rendering. Okay, so if you love to cook and people say you cook well, why not turn that into a business and start making money for yourself, your colleagues, people around? People just want to eat good food. People want to be sure that it's hygienic. Okay, once you're able to put all that together, you show yourself, why not? It can be packaged into a business and it will be making you extra income. All right, so the next one on my list after cooking is cleaning. So if you are this person that loves cleaning, every day when you wake up, you must clean, you must wash your clothes, you just have to make things organized and look clean and all that, you can definitely turn that into a business. If you will never go, if you will never allow a day to go by without you washing your clothes, probably you love laundry. Okay, you can start a dry cleaning business with that. If you love to make everywhere look beautiful and fine, okay, you can turn that into a cleaning service and you can package that into a business. In fact, you don't even have to be the one doing it directly. You can have a cleaning agency where you get people together who can do the job, and you will just be getting your cut and it'll be making you extra income. So it doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter how busy you are, you can turn this into a business, even if you are working at your office or you don't have all of that time, but you can put this together into a business and then it can make you extra income. And the seventh one, which you probably never even thought of, and it's something you do every day that can make you real money, is talking. Yes, talking. If you don't talk in a day, I don't know, but if you talk like I'm talking now, talk is money. You can be a presenter, you can be talking as I'm talking now, teaching people. You can talk if you know how to communicate well, if you know how to talk well, to put your thoughts together, and then people are like, wow, you presented that really well, then you can turn that into a business. So talking can be money, and I mean real money. You can do voiceovers. If you have good voice, you can talk and make money. Do you understand? So it's just for you to get the people who need that service, and then you're good to go. Okay, I'm sure you never saw that coming, right? So talking is a very good routine that can make you very good money, and I mean very good money. Okay, so next to the other one is your skincare routine. If you are somebody that your skin is glowing, You know all these mixes that you can put together that will make your skin to shine, and you know how to wake or awaken dry skin, so to speak. If you know how to put things together to make people's skin to glow, and even your own skin is shining, and people are saying, wow, wow, you look this, you look good. That can be a business for you. You can sell those skin lotions or those treatments or those natural stuff that you put together. Why not? You can package that into a business and you sell it. So even though every day it's your daily routine, you can turn it into a viable business for you, and you'll be good to go. So the next one on my list is gardening. If you know how to do simple gardening, you know how to, if you have a garden, you know how to tender for plants, you love to put seed to grow, to nurture seed and all that, why not? You can turn that into a business. See, you can sell gardening tools or equipment, you can sell seeds, you can turn your gardening skills or experience into a video content that you can put online, and you'll be teaching people, all right? So you can turn that skill into a viable business. It doesn't have to even interfere with your daily job. That is if you have a 9 to 5, okay? It can definitely make you some more extra income, okay? And you will be glad you did, all right? So the next one on my list is organizing. I know some people that they like to put things together. They just want their things to be done perfectly, so meticulously, and just everything good and good. That for you might be a routine, okay? That every day you know how to write your to-do list, you know how to write your schedule, you know how to put your time together and all that. My dear brothers and sisters, a lot of people are scattered. If you know how to organize things, you know how to organize your time, you know how to organize a place, you know how to organize events, you know how to organize things, put things together, and it will, look well, present it well. That can be a business for you that you are not even thinking of. So organizing, it can be a business. You can turn that into a business and teach people how to put themselves together, how to gather, how to be productive with their time, how to be productive with whatever things they are trying to organize. And all these things that I have said can actually be business ideas that you're not even thinking of, even though they are your daily routines and they are things you do every day. So your daily activities can actually make you income. It's just that you never thought of that, okay? So I hope that by this video you are informed, you know better, and you're going to take action. This video is just to educate you, okay, to inform you. So I'm not promising that you will start making money immediately, but if you put in the work, if you put in the effort, why not? People have turned these things into viable businesses and they are doing well, so that can also be you. But even if you don't know how to put this together, you don't even know the kind of people who might need your service or your product, you don't even know how to turn all these things I have spoken about into a product or a service, then you need my free workbook that I have created. That workbook is absolutely free, so it will not cost you anything to just download it. I'm going to put the link to that in the description of this video, because what I want for you is results, okay? So I want you to be able to take action after watching this video. So click the link on the description of this video, download the workbook to discover your perfect business and to validate your business. It's very important to validate that this business is something that people are willing to pay for. So don't forget to get that workbook. The link is down in the video, the description of this video. And if this video has actually helped you to know how to transform your daily routine into a sustainable money-making venture, okay, please give this video a thumbs up. Kindly click on that like, okay, and subscribe. Please subscribe, because it will help me to know that you actually find this very helpful, and I can, look out to create more videos like this so that you can keep growing. Till we meet in my next video, all right? I just want you to know that you have a supporter here and someone here is rooting for you, and keep thriving. Bye.